Components of food. There is wide variety of foods which we can eat. Various components of food play important role in keeping us fit and healthy. Food and nutrition. Nature provides us with a variety of food items. Different kinds of food contain different types of nutrients. These nutrients are needed for the growth, maintenance, and repair of the body. It is not possible to obtain all the essential nutrients needed for a good health from any one type of food. Hence, we should include a variety of food items in our diet. Classification of nutrients. There are 7 types of nutrients present in our food. These are carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins, minerals, fiber, and water. Nutrients. Carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins, minerals, fiber, water. Carbohydrates. Carbohydrates provide energy to the body. They are present in the food items in the form of starch and sugar. Food obtained from plants are rich in carbohydrates. Rice, wheat, maize, potatoes, sugarcanes, pulses, and bananas are such food items. Milk and leafy vegetables also contain carbohydrates. Activity 1. Aim: to test the presence of starch in the given food samples. Materials required: cooked rice, potato, bread, petri dishes, iodine solution, dropper. Principle: when iodine solution is added to starch, it turns blue-black in color. Procedure: take a small amount of cooked rice, slice of a potato, a slice of bread in 3 different petri dishes. Add 2 to 3 drops of dilute iodine solution in each petri dish. Wait for 10 to 15 minutes. Observation: the food sample turns blue-black in color. Result: the given food samples contain starch. Fats. Fats give us much more energy than carbohydrates. So, they are also called as energy-giving compounds. Fats stored in the body keep us warm. Fats are obtained from both animal and plant sources. Fat-rich foods such as butter, ghee, meat, and eggs are obtained from animals. Plants provide us with vegetable oils such as groundnut oil, coconut oil, mustard oil, sunflower oil, and nuts such as almonds and cashews. Activity 2. Aim: to test the presence of fat in the given food sample. Materials required: a small amount of butter, ghee, or oil, and a piece of white paper. Principle: if a paper is rubbed with a fatty product, it becomes oily. Procedure: put some drops of oil or any fat on a piece of paper. Rub it. Allow the paper to dry for some time. Observation: now keep the paper in front of a light source. The portion of the paper has become oily and translucent. Result: the given food sample contains fat. Proteins. Proteins are known as body-building foods. They are required for the growth and repair in the body. They regulate the body functions and they also help in repairing the injured and worn-out part of the body. We can get proteins from plants and animals both. Examples of proteins obtained from plants are kidney beans, pulses, peas, and groundnuts. Meat, eggs, fish, and milk are some examples of protein-rich foods obtained from animals. Activity 3. Aim: to test the presence of proteins in the given food samples. Materials required: egg, besan, copper sulfate solution, sodium hydroxide solution, water, test tubes, and a dropper. Principle: on addition of copper sulfate solution and sodium hydroxide solution, the protein present in the sample turns violet in color. Procedure: take 2 test tubes. In test tube 1, add 1 egg white, and in test tube 2, add besan mixed with water. Shake the test tubes. Now add 2 to 3 drops of copper sulfate solution and then 10 to 12 drops of sodium hydroxide solution. Shake them and wait for some time. Observation: the sample turns violet in color. Result: proteins are present in the given food samples. Vitamins. Vitamins are required by our body in small amounts but are essential for keeping us fit and healthy. They are known as protective food because they protect our body from diseases. They keep our gums, bones, teeth, and eyes healthy. There are various kinds of vitamins like vitamin A, vitamin B, vitamin C, vitamin D, vitamin E, and vitamin K. Our body needs all types of vitamins in small quantities. Vitamin A is found in papaya, carrots, fish oil, pumpkin, mangoes. It keeps our eyes and skin healthy. Vitamin B is found in meat, milk, potatoes. It helps in releasing energy and in formation of red blood cells. Vitamin C is found in lemon, orange, guava, amla. It helps our body to fight against many diseases. Vitamin D is found in sunlight, beans, paneer, tuna fish. It keeps our bones and teeth strong. Vitamin E is found in milk, eggs, nuts, peas, olives. It keeps our body and skin healthy. Vitamin K is found in spinach, cabbage, tomato, cauliflower. It helps in blood clotting. Minerals. Minerals are also known as protein foods. They are required for maintaining good health and overall well-being of the body. They are required in small quantities. Some important minerals essential for our body are calcium, sodium, potassium, phosphorus, iron, and iodine, etc. calcium and phosphorus. They are essential minerals for the proper formation of bones and teeth. Milk, eggs, cheese, and pulse are rich in calcium and phosphorus. Iron. It helps in formation of hemoglobin. Deficiency of it causes anemia. Green leafy vegetables, eggs, nuts, peas are good sources of iron. Iodine. It helps in the body growth and keeps us healthy. Its deficiency in us will lead us to a disease called goiter. Seafood, fish, and iodized salt are the food sources of iodine. Fiber, roughage. Fibers are important for our digestive system. They are plant products. It has no nutritive value. It prevents constipation and helps in getting rid of the undigested food. They are also called dietary fiber. Vegetables like carrot, cabbage, fruits like guava, peaches, apples, whole grains like wheat, rice, and pulses are foods rich in roughage or fiber. Water. 70% of the human body is made up of water. We cannot live without water. It is required for the proper functioning of the body. We should drink 2 to 3 liters of water daily. We get water from drinking water, milk, juices, tea, etc. It absorbs nutrients and throws out wastes in the form of urine. Water also helps keep our body cool and maintains the body temperature through sweating. Balanced diet. A diet containing all required nutrients in adequate quantities is called a balanced diet. Balanced diet is a combination of energy-giving food, body-building food, and protective food with dietary fibers and water. A balanced diet provides us with all required nutrients. It also gives us energy required by our body. As per our body requirements, balanced diet is different for everyone. It varies with age, sex, and type of work done by the individual. A growing child requires more protein-rich food. A laborer doing hard work needs maximum energy, so this food contains more carbohydrate and proteins. Many people do not consume proper nutrients or balanced diet, so they develop different symptoms of deficiency due to lack of essential nutrients. Disease which occur due to deficiency of one or more essential nutrients in the diet are called deficiency diseases. These deficiency diseases cannot be transmitted from one person to other. By having a proper diet, deficiency diseases can be prevented. Sometimes, excessive intake of food also leads to health problems. Overeating leads to obesity. In this condition, a person gains weight and becomes fat with many other problems such as heart problem, diabetes, and hypertension. Opposite to this is if a person does not get a proper diet, he or she can suffer with malnutrition. In this, the person becomes weak and suffers with lack of stamina.